If you want to cancel your Evernote subscription through Google Play, this video will walk you through the process step by step in just a few minutes. This is the easiest way to stop future billing if you subscribed on Android or through the Google Play Store. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account because subscriptions are tied to the account that originally purchased them. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick how-to tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to play.google.com. You can do this on a computer or on your mobile browser, but a desktop screen may make it easier to follow along. Once the Google Play website loads, check that you're signed into the same Google account that you use for the Evernote subscription. If you're using the wrong account, you won't see the subscription you're looking for. Now look at the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Payments and Subscriptions. This section is where Google keeps all of your billing settings, purchase history, and active subscriptions. After that, click the Subscriptions tab to view everything currently linked to your account. On the Subscriptions page, scroll through the list until you find Evernote. When you see it, click Manage. This will open the subscription settings for Evernote, where you can view your plan details and billing status. If you're canceling because you no longer need the service, this is the correct place to stop the renewal. Next, click Cancel Subscription. Google may show you a confirmation window or ask why you're leaving. Select a cancellation reason from the pop-up list, then click Continue. Depending on your account and subscription status, Google may give you one final confirmation screen before the cancellation is completed. Once the process is done, your Evernote subscription will be set to end at the conclusion of the current billing period, which means you can usually keep access until that date. It's a good idea to double-check the subscription status afterward so you know exactly when the service will expire. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled your Evernote subscription in Google Play. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple software and app guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.